Hi, my name is Arya. I'm an engineer and a certified SOLIDWORKS professional. I'm one of the developers of Cubibot, a compact, affordable, yet professional 3D printer. My dad and I started out in the garage. Our goal was to reimagine 3D printing for a wider audience and make this tool usable for everybody. For most people, 3D printers are either too large, too expensive, too difficult to use, or just basic tiny toys with unacceptable quality. We wanted to create something that would be high functioning, yet affordable, simple enough to use for everyone. Just plug it in and click print. After 2.5 years of hard work, we are proud to introduce you to Cubibot, the first machine that makes 3D printing available to all people. You don't have to be an expert or a technology buff to use it. Cubibot is capable of printing any object you can imagine and design. However, to jumpstart your creativity, we have created our own design database that contains many different designs ready to be printed. All you need to do is browse the database and click print for your favorite design. The use of this database will be completely free for our users and Cubibot owners. Simply enjoy your creations as they come to life. We designed Cubibot with a priority on health and safety so that you can bring Cubibot into your home, your office, your classroom, or labs. Cubibot has a built-in ventilation system with a replaceable filter, making Cubibot safer than other non-filtered 3D printers. Compact doesn't mean less powerful. Cubibot's heated bed and high-temperature nozzle enable it to print with a wide range of materials, including PLA plastic for toys and hobby, engineering plastics such as ABS and PC, and flexible materials as well. Cubibot's smart status notification lets you know what it's up to at all times. Cubibot is also Wi-Fi and cloud-enabled, allowing users to print wirelessly from their computer or phone using our Android and iOS apps. Given its features and its affordable price, Cubibot is truly for everybody. Families who want to print children's toys or school projects, engineers and scientists who need to produce quick prototypes, teachers, architects, and business owners. No matter what your vocation or purpose might be, Cubibot makes 3D printing technology practical, accessible, and effortless and fun for everybody. Right now, Cubibot exists as fully functional prototypes, but we need your help to finalize the web-based platform and manufacture the molds needed for production. We built a technology that puts 3D printing in the hands of everyone with a dream. Now it's up to you. What will you create with Cubibot?